Room 8214 at Nobu, Caesars, Las Vegas. This is the view when you enter the room. Very nice. This room has a king bed. I really dig in the little graphics they have above the bed, expanding the length of the wall. Really cool looking lamps. Here's an alarm clock with another extended table with a couple more lamps. Sofa, L-shaped sofa with coffee table. Nice large flat screen TV. I'm guessing 50 something inch. Beautiful, beautiful dresser. Here's the room. It looks like we have HDMI, USB, so you can hook up your iPad if you want to watch TV. I always like that feature. Lots of reading material. And they gave us some cool gifts when we walked in. Nice little snack box. So that was a very nice touch. Mini fridge, which is always nice in Las Vegas. So let's check it out and see what's inside. Oh, well, no, not a mini fridge. It's another one of those pay as you go. So if you really are jonesing for Gatorade, like you could probably pay $9 for it. But it's there again if you need it. Looks like we've got champagne, liquors, sodas, Fiji waters. So, pretty cool. Really like the artwork here. It's pretty neat. Okay, this is the view from the room. Not the best strip view. We've got a corner strip view. We can see the Caesars Forum shops. Treasure Island, Mirage, looks like Harris, the Encore, Wynn, over there, a little bit of the Lynx. Yeah, not the greatest view we've had definitely in Las Vegas, but you know, very nice room. Over there you can see part of Caesars' other tower. I'm not sure which one that is. I really do like this room. Looks like we have day shades, blinds, night blinds. All right, this is the bathroom here. When you walk in, very roomy, very nice. Has a deep bowl sink, which really, really nice. Check that out, that's big. Nice lighted mirror. Linens. Nice cool looking drink glasses. Of course we've got soaps and balms and vanity kit. Very nice, very nice. And if you swing over here, it's a nice large mirrored shower. Tile wall, floor to ceiling. Very nice with teak bench. Looks like a rain head, shower head. We have some more shampoos, conditioners, lotions, soap. And looks like, oh, a nice hand spray nozzle. That's very nice too. Nice shower. Go in opposite of the shower, there's a cool little towel rack that they have, Asian inspired. Little magazine rack. Again, the telephone, you know, just in case you need to make a phone call, there it is. And a bathroom scale, which I think is a very nice touch. Hey, the bathroom also hosts a vanity table with a mirror, and you have your choice of a black or white robe. Very cool. Pretty big closet. What we noticed in here was there was a couple more robes, as you can see. But they also give you a couple cool slippers, black or white, so you can match. A different kind of safe. Usually you see them in the wall, but this one's kind of mounted here on the table. That's pretty neat. Looks like they have a linen brush, iron, plenty of hangers. All in all, this is a very beautiful room here at the Nobu, Caesar's Palace, Las Vegas.